Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings stand out in a crowded market? Imagine hosting a showing in a home that sparkles, where every corner shines just right. Buyers feel welcome and can truly envision themselves living there. Here's where TidyTex comes in. We are a veteran-owned cleaning service based in San Antonio, dedicated to helping you prepare homes for sale. Our professional team understands the urgency of quick turnarounds and offers reliable services that can help close deals faster than ever. Before your next open house, let us make the property shine like never before. A clean home not only improves property showings, but can be the crucial difference between a sale and a pass. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights to make a space feel brighter before a showing. A well-lit home feels larger and more inviting, creating a warm atmosphere that buyers love. Ready to elevate your listings and impress potential buyers? Let TidyTex be your secret weapon. Check the video description for more details, including our website and contact information. Call us today at 210-951-8206 or email admin@tidytex.us. Let's make your property shine and attract buyers today.